Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 Porsche Macan GTS. Replacing the turbo on the top of the lineup, the Macan GTS is now the top dog. This color is sweet. I need to find the color name. It's like a pink, it's a red, it's a burgundy. This spec in general is absolutely amazing. 2.9 liter twin turbo V6. Let's take a look here. 435 horsepower, 405 pound-feet of torque. Color. Oh, it's a paint to sample. Oh. It's a paint to sample color, that's why. But what is the color name? Does it just not say? Come on. It's gotta stay somewhere. Hold on. Arena Red Metallic. Yes, that's where it looks familiar from. Arena Red Metallic. Alright, now that I've wasted about 15 minutes of your time, let's go for a drive. Got sports exhaust. What a machine. These things are just fun. You know, and I've been in sports cars all day. Well, so Porsche, we have two classes. They. Sports cars and SUVs. So, well, it's also sedans, Taycans in there. And this Arena Red, I believe these are also the brakes that have a coating applied to them to eliminate brake dust. Forget the exact name of them, but man, are they good. Go. Alright, so when I say that this is good, I want to buy one. Badly. Now this is kind of just reinforced that. This is just good. I hate to say it, it's just good. It's one of my favorite SUVs I've ever driven, especially in GTS trim. But even the base Macan's good. Color name should have been on here. Sorry. Ooh, that sun's getting bright. Ready? Oh, hold on. That tree just fall? I don't remember that being. Then again, I was in cars that were way lower than this. Whoa! Visor. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.